Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be working on my project which is called Amazon Web Scraping. So today I'll start by showing off my source codes. This is my project file. It is called Amazon Scrapper. It was a project that I worked on as my final module exam. So I'll start by presenting this HTML file which contains my search and text field, which will be taking the name of a product I want to search, and it will be retrieved in this lizard form, which is formatted as a table. The following are table headers. So back to my amazon.py. This is the file which contains everything related to Python. So as you can see, I have imported multiple modules for working with my scrapping functionalities. I started by importing Flask, which will help with working with web pages after retrieving data from Amazon official website. I have also requests, which it sends HTTP requests that handles the data retrieval. And this beautiful soup, it is a library for web scraping, which means it is the one which will be passing HTML element from Amazon. So I also have this open PyXL, which will help me to save my retrieved data into an Excel file that will be containing all the search results. And I also have this OS, which is a library for interacting with operating system. This means it is the one that will help me to dive into directories for my OS so that I can save my Excel file. So starting with the method I defined here, scrap Amazon, which will take a product name. This is the one that should search. I defined this to handle the source URL, which is Amazon, and to take product name that I pass here in my function as argument, and it will search from this URL. As you can see on the official Amazon and the official Amazon website, we have this K. We take this link, and it will be the one we will be using by adding our product name here. So after searching, it will use the following encodings, which are characters from my web browser, and it will be the header. And the response, after searching, it will be retrieved. It will get the request by using request method to a targeted URL as I defined here, and we will use beautiful soup to get text element from HTML using HTML pass. So here we defined an empty list that will be containing results, and after working with this list, we will contain the results in a beautiful soup that will be looking at Amazon in the following divisions. If as you can see in this for loop, it will get product name element. In Spain, here we were referring to classes that were used to build Amazon web pages. As you can see, you can use inspect Django developer tools. So you can dive into your website by using the selector so that you can see class names in your Amazon inspecting tools. So we will be using this. So as you can see, the class is called the class here we refer to is called A size medium. So you can see in Amazon, you can do Control Find, Control F on your keyboard. Then you can text in the class name we are using in our codes to find where it contains the element we want to scrap. We'll copy it by Control C on website and then go back to Amazon, inspect, then paste it here. You will find where it is located in your codes. Click enter. Then as you can see here, there is our span. So this means simply these codes are retrieving everything that is contained in our span, which will be containing, as you can see, if we highlight it, it will be containing everything from product name to dating and price, which are the elements of our scrapping, which are all we want to retrieve. So we get product name from this product name element. As you can see, if product name element is true, we will strip our text from retrieved results, and we will store them in product name, and we will go on doing the same to all other elements we want. As you can see, the price is also stored in a class named A off screen, so we will get it by text strip as well. Then we store it in product price. So we will have also to get image, which will do the same process. So we also have to work on commission fee. Commission fee will be calculated by getting the product price from Amazon, and we multiply it by 0.1 because we want to get commission, which is 10% of the real price. So after we will calculate the total price, which will be equal to the official price plus commission fee. This will also be recorded in variable which we call total price, and we will get we should get retire name, but because Amazon doesn't provide it, we will set it default to Amazon, and retire info will be set to info@amazon.com by default. Rating, we also get rating. As you saw it, we also have it in our class, so we get rating from the website. If rating is a variable, we will text strip it, or if it is not a variable, we will label it as not a variable. So we get to this return, where we will return our product as a list. As you saw that we defined an empty list, it will be returned. So here we come to our part where we have to save our results in Excel file. We will define a workbook using our OpenPyLX Excel. Then we mark it to active so that we can modify that workbook. We will define headers for our worksheet, and for columns, it will take the names during this for loop, which will be looping from row 1, taking column headers, which are defined in below. So for now we go for rows. The rows will take product characters from the retrieved products in this list, which is called product. It will be looping by listing all the product in the results. As you can see in explanatory comments, it will write product data to Excel sheet. Then we go to our OS, which is the module that helps us to establish communication between our Python program with our OS. So it will be saving our Excel document, which contains the result info, to documents. As you can see, this is the part where we specify the path for saving Excel file. Yes, and then save product image, which we have to save in a separate folder. It will use the same path, but also it will allow this line allows it our program to create a new directory which will be named Amazon image, which can only contain images of retrieved results. So I think we can go on and show how the whole functionality works on the web page. Before I get there, I have to show you that we are using get and post methods by retrieving our results, and we are setting here file name to get our Excel file named like in my names and my reg numbers. So I can go on and show the results. First of all, I have to make sure that my network is working. So it is working, and I should first search on the official website to see if my scrapping retrieves the real results. I will, by example, search laptop. Let's see what they bring. So as you can see, they start with HP 14 laptop. So I go to my scrapping. Sorry, I'll have to run it from start. I go to my PyCharm and stop the process which was running before. I run it again, and I use this IP address to access my program. As you can see, this is my welcome page, which I said before that contains search. Then I search laptop. And now you can see that it retrieves the same result as how we saw it to Amazon official website. To start with the laptop, HP 14 laptops, as how it is on the official website, it will bring up the price with official price, which is $133. It will calculate the commission fee, and it will add it to official price to make total price. So we have global rating, and we have a default retire name and default email, and we also have product pictures. So you will remember that we have to save everything in our Excel file. So I have to dive to my directory, which will be documents. As you can see, I have a new file created, which is named in my names and leg numbers. And when I open it, you can see it contains all the results that I saw after scrapping. So, and then you remember that I have to save images in separate folder, which is called Amazon images. As you can see, all the images will be saved here. So if another thing I can say, if I keep searching the new results on my scrapping, it will not be appended to the file I had. Instead, it will replace it. So if I say maybe I search radio, for example, radio, new results, and if we get back to our document file, which contained information about laptops, now it will be containing only radio informations. So it contains such results at one time, and it will be replaced at the second time. So thank you. That was all about my web scraping project. I hope you enjoyed it. So I'll make sure to drop a link in my comment section that you can get all the codes in case you want to modify it or to use it in your own programs. Thank you so much.